Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Does Coinbase have USDT? Before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about what USDT is. USDT is a stablecoin, which means that its value is pegged to the US dollar. This makes it a great option for people who want to avoid the volatility of other cryptocurrencies. Now, back to the question, does Coinbase have USDT? The answer is yes. Coinbase has supported USDT since 2017. How to buy USDT on Coinbase? Buying USDT on Coinbase is easy. Here are the steps. Create a Coinbase account. Verify your identity. Fund your account with fiat currency. Click on the Buy button. Select USDT as your currency. Enter the amount of USDT you want to buy. Click on the Confirm button. Once you've completed these steps, your USDT will be available to trade. Benefits of using USDT on Coinbase. There are a number of benefits to using USDT on Coinbase. Here are a few. Easy to buy and sell. USDT is easy to buy and sell on Coinbase. Low fees. Coinbase charges low fees for buying and selling USDT. Secure. Coinbase is a secure platform for storing your USDT. Widely accepted. USDT is accepted by a wide range of merchants and exchanges. If you're looking for a stablecoin to invest in, USDT is a great option. And if you're looking for a platform to buy and sell USDT, Coinbase is a great choice. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. Additional information. In addition to the information above, I would also like to add that Coinbase is not the only exchange that supports USDT. There are a number of other exchanges that you can use to buy and sell USDT. I would also like to remind you that investing in cryptocurrency is risky. Please do your own research before investing any money. If you're interested in learning more about USDT, I encourage you to do some research online. There are a number of great resources available that can help you learn more about this exciting new asset class. Thank you for watching.